வணக்கம் நண்பர்களே, இன்னைக்கு வீடியோவில் நம்ம என்ன பார்க்க போறோம் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா EMTல கூலும்ஸ் லா பற்றி தான் பார்க்க போறோம். ஸோ ஆல்ரெடி we are familiar everyone with this topic கூலும்ஸ் லா. ஸோ டெஃபினட்டாக இன்னைக்கு வீடியோவில் பார்த்தீங்கன்னாலே 99% கொஸ்டின் இதில் இருந்தால் வர வாய்ப்பு நிறைய இருக்கு. ஸோ இந்த வீடியோ பார்த்தீங்கன்னாலே உங்களுக்கே தெரியும், ப்ரீவியஸ் இயர் கொஸ்டின் எல்லாமே இந்த நம்ம எடுக்க போகிற இந்த கூலும்ஸ் லாலேருந்து தான் வந்திருக்கு. ஸோ இன்னைக்கு முழுசாக வீடியோ பார்த்தீங்கன்னா உங்களுக்கே யூ கேன் அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் தட் வாட் ஐ எம் சேயிங் தட். ஓகே, ஸோ அது மட்டும் இல்லாமல் நம்ம டெலகிராம் வாட்ஸ்அப்பில் நம்ம தினமுமே வந்து கொஷின் அப்லோட் பண்ணுறோம். அதையும் டவுன்லோட் பண்ணி நீங்கள் ப்ராக்டிஸ் பண்ணுங்கள். அது மட்டும் இல்லாமல் டெலகிராம் வாட்ஸ்அப் குரூப்பில் நம்ம தினமுமே மோர் தென் 10 கொஸ்டின்ஸ் we have to upload daily in various units. ஸோ அந்த போல நீங்கள் அட்டென்ட் பண்ணுங்கள். ஸோ தினமும் ப்ராக்டிஸ் பண்ணால் தான் டெஃபினெட்லி you have to achieve the PGTRB exam for upcoming. Okay, so today we go with Coulomb's law. Okay, so then Coulomb's law sometimes இதில் வந்து வரும், இல்லைன்னா வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா by using this formula we have to ask sometimes numerical problem. So அது ஒரு வீடியோ நம்ம we have to upload it. Okay, then Coulomb's law. So then Coulomb's law is mainly for the electrostatic force between the 2-point charge. It was the Coulomb's law was formulated by the author Charles Augustin de Coulomb in the year 1785. He stated that the force between the two charge depends on the magnitude and the distance between them. So this is the introduction about the Coulomb's law. So the Coulomb's என்ன சொல்றாங்கன்னா, mainly it focuses on electrostatic force between the 2-point charge. Who can formulate this Coulomb's law? Then Charles Augustin de Coulomb in the year 1785. He stated that the force between the two charge is Q1 and Q2. So depends upon the magnitude and the distance between them. Okay. Okay. So next, what is the statement? So Coulomb's law என்ன சொல்லுதுன்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா, so this is the most important formula. So the force between the 2-point charge is inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. So the electrostatic force between that 2-point charge, that is Q1 and Q2. Q1, Q2. That is the product of the charge and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. So okay, so here what is meant by F is the electrostatic force, then Q1 and Q2 are the magnitude of the charge. The unit will be a coulomb. Sometimes coulomb say unit like கேட்பாங்க. So R is the distance between the charges, then K is the coulomb constant. So one times in the coulomb constant கேட்டிருந்தாங்க. So அதெல்லாம் we have to focus that. So the coulomb law will be written in vector form like this. We have to put R into R cap. So in the R cap we have to write in these cases like இது மாதிரி எழுதணும். So then R cap can be write like this, then R vector by modulus of R. So definitely இதெல்லாம் mathematics, physics and EMTல ப்ராப்ளம் போடும்போது definitely இது தெரிஞ்சிருக்கணும். Okay, so we have to write vector form. So next, where R cap is the unit vector along the line joining of the charge. So next is some of the key point of the Coulomb's law. This is the நிறைய times repeated on questions that should be asked. Okay. So what is the nature of the force? If the charge are like means the force will be a repulsive. The charge are unlike means it should be attractive. We are all well known about, we have to study it in the lower classes. So this is the most important inverse square law. If doubling the distance, it reduces the force 1/4. So in the Telegram channel we have to upload this question. So if the distance is half of means it increases. the force by 4 times. This is here reduce, here increases. So if the distance is a double time now, it should be the force will be reduces 1 by 4. If half of the distance, it increases the force by 4 times. Okay, so that should be an effect of a medium. If the charge is placed in a dielectric, the force will be decreases. Okay. So that is the equation we have to write in these cases. Okay. So idume indicator in the telegram. Okay, in water, the dielectric constant, how much it is, the force reduces 80 times. Okay, then superposition, then multiple charges act on a charge, the net force is the vector sum of individual force. So similar to that gravitational force. So both follow the inverse square law. So Coulomb's law, gravitational force, it should be inverse square law. Sometimes idume ketirukanga. So nammulume telegram channel la we have to upload these questions. Okay, neenga adhe edhiyum pathina definitely you have to remember and we have to revise. Okay, then electrostatic force can be attractive or repulsive, then but gravitational force is always attractive. This sometimes can be taken. Okay, so we are all already discussed this with respect to that same poles are repulsive and opposite poles are attractive. If the distance is double, means the force is 1 by 4. So what are the applications? And applications of the Coulomb's law, we have to discuss elaborately, but no need. We have to get answer 1 mark only. So what are the applications? Then electrical calculation, then capacitor design, then electrostatic, precipitator, that sometimes gate law. Which one is the following for electrostatic precipitator? Then